Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super detailed frostbite look using the new James Charles Morphe palette and also some NYX Cosmetics products, also some Maybelline, some Lily lashes of course, some Benefit, just a whole bunch of new stuff that I want to try out. And this is going to be a long video, so please relax, get a snack because you're in for a very long tutorial because this took me forever. So if you want to see how I got this super fun and wintry inspired look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so first we're going to start off with my eyebrows. So I already have my base done. I have foundation and concealer and I powdered it, and that's all I did for now. So now I'm taking a white liquid eyeliner from Sephora and I'm going to use this to fill in my brows just so they look really icy and frozen, and it will just go along with the look really well. So I'm just taking this and I'm just going to kind of cover the hairs so they look white. It's super easy. Alright, so now it looks kind of crazy, but I promise it will go good with the look. So now I'm going to start on with my eyes, and I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and I'm just going to apply that to both of my eyelids using my fingers. And I don't usually use an eye primer, but we are using the new James Charles Morphe palette, and that's how he recommends we use it, so I'm going to follow his instructions. Alright, so my eyes are primed. I have the new palette right here. We're just going to take a lot of the blue and purple shades today and just make a really icy look. I think I'm going to go for like a halo eye, so I'm going to take this color, which I know is called Brother, and just push that on the outer part of my lid. Now I'm just taking that same color and going on the inner corner of my lid as well, because we're gonna do a halo eye today. Now I'm taking a smaller brush and a darker blue color and a little bit of the dark purple, and I'm just going to deepen out the very outer corner of my lid and also the very inner corner of my lid. And now I'm just taking this outer corner and kind of making it into a winged out shape. And we will blend all of this out later because I know it looks crazy right now, so just bear with me for now. Now I'm just taking the lighter blue matte shade, I believe this is called Playground, and I'm just blending that around all the edges. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to start blending out these edges. Now I'm just taking those blue shades from before and really smoking out my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking some white and just trying to clean up and blend out all of the edges a little bit more. Now I'm just taking the shimmery light blue shade and just adding that under my eyebrow. And I'm also going to add that to my inner corner. Alright, now I cut my crease and I cut it really high, almost up to my eyebrow, and now I'm just going to pack on the white matte eyeshadow shade. This will probably take a few layers to achieve a nice bright white color. Now I'm just taking a little bit of light blue and just blending out those edges very slightly. Now I'm taking the Stila glitter in Perlina and I'm just going to put that all over the white spot I just created. And I think I'm just going to add a little. glitter all over my pants. I'm just going to add a little bit of the same glitter to this inner corner right here. Now I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs highliner pencil in the color Deja Blue and pop that into my waterline. Alright, now I'm going to do the other eye off camera, add some mascara and lashes, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and we have Lily Lashes Miami's on my lashes, and I have their Real Benefit mascara, and I know this look is super dramatic, but I think the lashes definitely help pull it together, and it's just going to get crazier from here, so hold on tight. I have the Morphe James Charles palette again, and now we're going to do my cheeks and my nose, and then we'll add in some more details after that. So now I'm just taking the lightest blue shade color on like this kind of flat brush, and I'm just going to lightly start tapping that in up my nose and my cheeks. And it can be kind of random where you put each color. Doesn't really matter. Now I'm taking the color Brother and I'm just going to do the same thing. Just kind of randomly place blue. Now I'm just going to take Single. It's like a light purple shade. Looks kind of dark actually, but this is the darkest purple shade called Escape, and I'm trying to go lightest to darkest with colors just so we don't have to use more than one brush. Alright, so the color is laid down on my face. Now I'm taking the same liquid white liner from before and we're going to add in some snowflakes. Alright, now I'm just going to add in some little polka dots around the snowflakes. Now we're just going to take a highlighting brush and the shimmery blue color from before and a little bit of the shimmery white color from the palette and just kind of highlight my cheekbones and honestly just highlight everything just because we want to be super sparkly and icy. Now I'm just going to highlight right here using the shimmery blue shade and on my Cupid's bow. And a little bit on my chin. Alright, and last but not least, to complete this look, we have a matte lipstick from NYX. It's called Sorbet, and it is a super cool icy blue color, and I'm so excited to use this. I actually got this from the advent calendar, the NYX Sugar Trip advent calendar, which I absolutely love. I did a video on that a few days ago, so definitely go check that out if you're interested. And I think this color is so cool. That color is beautiful and it's so pigmented and opaque for such a strange lip color. So yeah, I really like that. And we're just gonna add a little bit more of that shimmery blue to my lips because why not? Alright, so this is the completed Frostbite look. I am in love with the new James Charles palette, and I also am in love with this lip color. I have never worn anything like this before, so pretty cool. I love the way this turned out. Definitely try this out, even if you don't live in a place where it snows. This is a super fun look, and I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my Instagram at SophiaDoingMakeup. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.